Drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the snail mail and jump into the fast lane with DocuSign. DocuSign is your key to signing contracts online, legally and effortlessly. First, you'll receive an email from DocuSign when someone shares a contract with you to sign. Open that email. In the email, look for the big, obvious button, usually labeled Review Document or something similar. Click it. This will whisk you away to the DocuSign platform. Now, you're looking at the contract within DocuSign. Find the Start button, usually in the upper left or right corner, and click on that to begin the signing process. DocuSign guides you through each required field with highlighted tabs. Click on the first signature field. You'll then have options to adopt a pre-made signature style or create your own. Choose the option that works best for you. If adopting, select a style and click Adopt and Sign. If drawing, use your mouse or touchscreen to create your signature and initials. Then click Adopt and Sign. Fill out any remaining fields as prompted. Once you have completed all required fields and you see your digital signature in place, look for the Finish button. Click Finish. You may be prompted to download a copy of the signed document for your records. This is a good idea. And that's it. You've successfully signed a contract using DocuSign. It's legally binding, and everyone involved receives a copy. Now go conquer your contracts and save some trees. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.